everyone, and also welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is we're gonna make a new vlog for today, and we've got some new bike tools, right? So mga kasiklista, so natin dyan sa Cebu at saka sa buong Pilipinas, shout out po sa inyong lahat sa mga latest na mga happenings sa kaganapan dyan sa atin dyan sa Pilipinas. Okay, so may bago po akong bag po ngayon, and also I just wanna share it to you, right? So I just wanna share it to you. So this multi-tool hex wrench or Allen tool, right? So this is from the Craftsman, and also this is not a sponsored video from Craftsman, right? So we've got right here a Craftsman multi-tool or hex wrench. So I don't know how to pull this off, so I'm gonna have to I'm gonna have to take this one. Okay, so here it goes, guys. So here it goes. This only for a couple of bucks, right? So and it's also this. I think this is a good one also for Craftsman, and they also have some many tools, right? Not just for bike not just for bike tools. They also got some tools for in everyday use. So they got some wireless screwdriver, mega drill, anything that they want. So this is but this brand is very cheap, right? So they got some cheap products, they got some cheap gear products that they have. So I don't know if Philippines has it. So we've got right over here is the and there's also, and we got some right over here. But you know what's I like about it is because they have also some right over here is the one, right? So they got some 1/4 732 316, right? And it's also at the back right here is also another one right over here is where you can have this, right? So just like that, and then we've got some another right one right there. So and then also and this is a complete pack set, right? So this is a complete pack set, and then here it goes, nice. And then as you can see, you can like that one, you can see that, and it's also this is a good and this is a good, all right. So a good one. So what is this one right over here? We got the 532, right? We got some 964, 18, 764, 332, and 564, right? So nice. This is a good one also. A Craftsman, and also not as excuse me, so not a sponsored video, right? So and it's also this one right here is a good tool for me to have it for my bike. So since I already have a tool, but it's all I on a separate, right? There are two pieces of this one, and but it's only you have to take it off, and then that is a one good also one. So if you want to have this, you just have to have this another one that is also gonna be separate, right? So it's in my bike. So I just want to share it to you, right? So I forgot to, so I'm gonna have to make another video so to compare it, so and how to use, right? And also how to what I think you know already, guys, right? So alam niyo na yan, di ba? So alam niyo na kung paano gamitin yan. So I just want to para makagawa din ako ng vlog dito, right? So since paminsan-minsan lang ako makagawa ng vlog, right? So since busy sa work, so dito sa US talaga napaka-busy talaga sa work dito eh. So actually I'm in the hotel right now, right? So I'm in the hotel. Okay, so and then also I really need some what is this called, refreshing mind also, right? Makapag-relax din minsan, right? So okay, so ito Craftsman na ito, mura lang ito. So I don't know kung meron sa Pilipinas diyan. So I think hindi ko alam. So check niyo lang sa Ace Hardware, right? So Ace Hardware or sa I think is hardware talaga. So yun naman talaga eh. So sa buong SM malls is hardware. So kung naghanap kayo ng mas mura pa, so I think mahanap niyo siya sa Temu or sa Shopee, right? So Craftsman, mura lang ito, Craftsman. Okay? Mura lang ito, Craftsman lang ito. So maganda and also very affordable and very cheap. Kung sa dollar ito ay I think I forgot sa price yung dollar eh. So I think 4.99 $4.99, right? So only $5, right? And also plus tax na rin siya. So I think nasa ano na siya. Hindi ko alam kung magkano yung value added tax dito, right? Per product. Kasi per product kasi, so value added tax per product. So sa Pilipinas kasi yung value added tax natin sa Pilipinas ay once na ano na yung lahat na binili mo, doon tumatatak sa sa doon doon lalabas yung value added tax na na binili natin lahat, right? So hindi katulad dito kasi nga kapag bumili ka dito, every product meron siyang tax, right? So for example, ito 4.99, magiging $5 na siya. So what if ever yung tax niya ay nasa $1, right? So magiging ano na siya, magiging $6 and magiging $6 na yan, right? So what if kapag yung tax niya ay hindi siya umabot ng $1, may pagpalagan lang natin na 75 cents, right? So pagpalagan natin ng 75 cents. So ipa-plus natin yan. Ano ba yun? May cellphone ako dito eh. Okay, naka-charge pala. So okay, so ito charge, okay, check, okay. So okay, so ayun, $4.99. Okay, so pagpalagay natin yung una kong binanggit, right? So $4.99. Okay, so 4.99 plus sa tax na pagpalagay natin ng $1, so magiging 5.99. So 5.99 yung mababayaran mo. So what if naman kapag ipagpalagay natin na yung tax niya ay hindi umabot ng $1, right? So 4.99 plus yung tax na pagpalagay natin ng 75. Okay, sorry. Okay. Pagpalagay natin 0.75. So magiging ano siya, so $5.74. So yun po yung kaibahan dito eh. So yun po talaga yung kaibahan dito. So kapag bumili ka, so kapag bumili ka dapat mag-ingat ka sa price, right? So yan din ang natutunan ko dito sa US, right? Kapag bumili ka, so hindi katulad dyan sa Pilipinas kasi kapag naibili mo na lahat, nasa resibo yan, nasa ibaba yung value added tax, right? So yun po yun sa Pilipinas. Dito every product mayroong tax, right? So yun po kaibahan dito talaga. So napakahirap. So hindi katulad dyan sa Pilipinas na kapag bumili ka na lahat, doon na sa ibaba yung value added tax niya. So dito every product may tax. So talagang talaga nila yung tax talaga siya ngayon, at saka ngayon pinataas pa yung taripa, right? Pinataas pa na tarifa ni Donald Trump yung so hindi ko alam kung ano talaga yung binabalak niya, right? So kung for the better and brighter future of the America, right? So so I don't know, so hindi naman ako nakapag-vote kasi hindi pa naman ako American citizen dito. So if ever kung kasi nga napaka complicated dito sa US din kasi ngayon eh, dahil sa pagiging president ni Trump, right? So talagang so yung ibang mga American talaga naghihinayang na talaga. So naghihinayang na dahil binout nila si Trump. So hindi pa kasi nila alam yung backstory kasi. So at saka hindi ko alam yung backstory, right? So ano talaga, so parang mind of confusion lang taga, mind of confusion or confusion of mind, right? So halo-halo talaga yung confuse ko talaga sa pagtira ko dito since hindi pa naman ako nag 1 year dito. So September mag 1 year na rin ako dito. So right, so it is also what I like about it right here is also, ayun, maganda yung ihip ng hangin dito, pero pabago-bago talaga yung ano talaga, yung weather talaga nila ito. So, changes of weather every 5 minutes or 10 minutes, right? So, mag-uulan, tapos iinit, uulan. Or ngayon, kasi summer ngayon. So, pagdating ng winter, ayun, snow na. Ayun, ang kapal ng snow. Kapal ng mukha, kapal ng snow. Right? So, yun po yung kaibahan talaga dito. So, hindi ako makapag-bike sa winter. Right? So, since slippery when wet. Okay? So, ano talaga, slippery when wet talaga. So, talagang, mag-ingat talaga kapag nag-bike sa winter. So, since mountain bike naman, so, yung gulong ng di ba? Yung gulong ng mountain bike, so pang all terrain naman talaga. So pero ingat pa rin, right? So ingat pa rin sa pagbabike kahit winter. Right? So So back to our product right over here that I am tackling this video. So Craftsman maganda siya at saka very may pagkabigatin din siya pero lightweight siya, and then also mura lang ito, right? So kung ano natin sa price na Pilipinas, so magkano na ba ngayon? 54. Okay, check natin. So hindi naman talaga ako ganito hindi naman talaga ako ganito magko-compute o magko-convert, right? So hindi naman talaga ako ganito katao na tao na mag-convert ng pera, right? Kasi nga okay, let's go to the Philippine dollars. Okay. Philippine peso. Tumaas siya. 57.20 dito. Okay. So, what if ipagpalagay natin itong price na ito ay nasa $5, right? So, pagpalagay natin sa 5. Okay. Okay. 286, right? 286 ito sa Philippine peso. Right? So 286 sa Philippine peso. Alright, so okay. So I think that's it for today's vlog, right? And I hope you enjoy watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and also click the notification bell para always pa rin kayo ma-notify sa mga upcoming future videos. Okay, so stay tuned and thank you so much for watching. Okay?